Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to be talking about what I call markup, discounts, tax, or sales. So basically what we're going to be learning is a really good life skill. Well, if you ever go out to a store and sometimes they tell you something is 35% off, do you want to buy this shirt? Well, does that really help you? Not really, because sometimes you think, oh, 35% off, that's awesome, that's great. But you don't really know how much the item's going to cost. So you want to be able to know how much the item is going to cost. So we're going to be using and continuing to use our proportions to help us solve that because it seems to be going so well, and I think it's a really good thing. So the first thing we need to understand is some key vocabulary words. And the first two vocabulary words we need to understand are discount and sale. Discount and sale. Anytime you see the word discount or sale, that means the price is going down. That means you're going to pay less than what you normally would pay. So we like discounts, we like sales. What we don't like very much is when we see the vocabulary words that say markup or a tax. Now, tax is very common. Markups, we don't even really see. Stores do markups on their own secretively so that they can make more money. But we all know about tax. So anytime you see something that says markup or tax, that means the money is going to go up. The money is going to go up. When we had discount or sales, the money is going to go down. It means it's going to be cheaper for us to buy something. When we see markup or tax, it means the price is going to go up. So now, how are we going to solve these problems? We're going to solve these problems using a formula, just like we've done, where we're going to have two proportions. And I want you to see this right here. The proportion is going to be the new price of the item is going to go on top. The original price is going to go on the bottom. That means, what did it start at? Now, the bottom is always over 100, just like we've done originally. And this is where it gets a little confusing. The way we find our top number is it's always going to be 100 plus or minus the change. So if you see the word discount or sale, you're going to do 100 minus whatever that is. If you see markup or tax, you're going to do 100 plus whatever that is. And I know that sounds confusing right now with me just talking, but this is nothing new. I'm now going to do some examples of one of each to hopefully help you understand this a little bit more. So I'm going to go to my very first problem. My very first problem is a TV is normally $120. It is on sale for 30% off. How much is it? So again, we see on sale. That means the price is going down, which is awesome. We like sale prices. It's how we save money. So how do we solve this? We solve this by writing our proportion. We solve this by writing our proportion. And I have this right here. And this is our formula. N is our new price, O is our original price, over 100, and 100 plus or minus our new price. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by just writing my blank proportion. And I want you guys to see how I did that right here with my blank proportion. Pretty cool, easy, huh? So now I'm going to go back to my problem. And I'm going to go back to my problem and I'm going to reread it. A TV is normally $120. Normally $120 problem. That means that's our original price. That's how much it is. So if I go back to my formula, I'm going to go to my original price O, and I'm going to write 120 down. I also know this 100 stays the same always. So right now, I have 2 of my 4 blanks that I need to fill in. Now, I don't know my new price, but I got to get to the hard part. So I'm going to always write 100. And then it said the item was on sale, 30% off. So I'm actually on sale means I'm going to subtract 30. Do you guys see how I did that? Pretty easy, right? Then if you can do it in your head or calculator, 100 minus 30 is 70. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to cross this out and I'm going to write 70 on top because that 70 is my new number. And how much is the TV? We don't know yet, so that's when we always put our variable X. Okay, so now what do? I'm going to cross multiply. 100x equals 120 times 70, which is 8,400. Nothing new, right? I'm going to line, circle, cover, divide. I'm going to use my calculator. 8,400 divided by 100 is 84. That crosses off. X equals 84. And that's your answer. So that $120 TV that you would normally spend, you can get it today on sale for 84 only. That is problem number 1. Now I'm going to do problem number 2. Problem number 2 states this. A TV is normally $450. It is marked up 10%. Boo! That means we gotta pay more money. Boo! We don't like markups, but they have to make money, right? So I guess it happens, but we don't like markups. How much is it now? So let's think about what we have right now. The TV is normally $450, but it's marked up 10%. Why might something be marked up? Maybe because it's a hot selling item and they know they can make more money. Maybe something happened and they need to charge more. Maybe it's Super Bowl weekend and they know people want a new TV for Super Bowl. So they're like, ooh, I'm going to take advantage of you. You want that TV to watch the football game? You're going to pay for it. I know, it's pretty kind of sad, but okay. So let's solve this together. This is our formula again. This is our problem that I just erased with my hand. Nothing new. So if we go back to the problem, it said a TV is normally $450. So I'm going to write my blank. I'm going to write my original is $450. I'm going to write 100 down here because that's always the same. I'm going to write 100. And this time I have to go back. It said it was marked up. So whenever we hear the word mark up, we have to add 10 because it was marked up 10%. 100 plus 10, if you need to use your calculator, if you can do it in your head, is 110. I'm going to cross that off, write the 110, and I'm going to put my X here for the variable. Now I'm going to cross multiply. I'm going to get 100x equals 49,500. Again, I just use the calculator to find that answer, so feel free to use the calculator. Make it short, make it quick. Let's get these problems correct. I'm going to continue doing my line, circle, cover, divide. And when I divide that by 100, I get x equals 495, which means last time we saved money. This time, instead of $450, it's going to cost us more money. It's going to cost us $495. Now, I see this video is getting to be about 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do is this is going to be my main video. I hope you watched it. But I am going to try to put up another video with maybe a couple other problems and examples up as well. I'm only expecting you to watch one. But if you need more practice or more help, please watch that. And also, please come onto Zoom if you don't understand this. We can go over your homework problems. We can help you. We can make you successful. So hopefully I see you all on Zoom at 2:15 today. Awesome. Bye.